Today, we will be unboxing the Vicrez Performance Air Ride Suspension and Air Management Kit. This one here is the Enthusiast Kit, but we also offer a professional kit that comes with an extra air compressor and a larger alloy air tank. This kit allows you to control your air suspension and adjust pressure in your bags. The first thing we are taking out is the air hose. Next, we will be taking out this box that holds the air compressor. When upgrading to the professional kit, you will receive an extra air compressor. Having two air compressors can potentially allow for faster inflation and deflation of the air springs, as well as potentially providing a more stable and consistent air pressure within the system. Next, we have another box that holds wires and relay as well as the remote controller. All hardware as well as wires needed for installation process will be included in the air management kit. This is the air management controller. We will be releasing an installation video soon on our Vicrez YouTube channel, so stay tuned. Next, we have the alloy air tank. This one for the Enthusiast kit is 3 gallons. If you upgrade to the professional kit, it comes with a 5-gallon air tank. Larger air tanks can potentially provide a longer period of time between the need to refill the tanks, as well as potentially allowing for larger adjustments to the air pressure in the system. Next, we have the air strut kit. Depending on your vehicle, year, make and model, your air struts may differ than these ones here. This kit is for the Ford Mustang. First thing we're taking out is the front air struts and bags. This product also comes with 2 new sway bar end links. Now we are taking out the rear air struts, which are visibly smaller than the front air struts. Next are the airbags for the rear air struts. These will sit parallel with the vehicle's rear axle. Lastly, we have the tool bag. This includes spanner wrenches, as well as knobs to adjust damping, and all the hardware needed to complete the installation.